Hi everyone, I'm Mary Wall, and this is your Tappin Tuesday exercise for level 1 for this week. All right, level 1 people, if you watched the Never Too Late video first, you already have a head start on what's coming. We are going to be working with steps, step heels, stamps, and tap walks. So just review, a step is on the ball of the feet. You do not let the heels hit the floor. Step heel is a step where the heel hits the floor. A stamp is a flat-footed step where the toes and heels hit the floor at the same time. And a tap walk, the heel hits the floor first, and then you drop the toe. Okay, we are going to start with steps. You are going to do 8 of them on your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to do the step heels moving backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to do stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then tap walks going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do that whole thing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then flat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to start over again, and this time we're going to be moving things side to side. So you're going to do 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to move to the right on your step heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You're going to touch. You're going to start with the left foot now. 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then step, heel, 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 touch. Now we are going to stamp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're doing your tap walks to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's a stomp, which is a flat-footed step without changing weight. Doesn't mean to pound, it just means you're touching the floor with a flat foot. Then we start with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There you go. Okay, so let's put this all together. Starting with our steps, you have, let me move forward because we're going to move back on those step heels. 5, 6, 7, 8, and step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step heel moving back. 5, 6, 7. Then we do stamp. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap walk going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do it again. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we stamp. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tap walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Back 2 steps. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we go to the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and touch. Left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and touch and stamp. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and tap walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stomp and left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step heel going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we do stamps. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap walk. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We go again. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we go backwards. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and stamp. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap walk. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On the toes again. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step heel to the right. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and touch and step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and step heel. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and touch and stamp. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the right we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and stomp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the left we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and